Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the tools. Open a margin-enabled brokerage account and enable futures and options permissions. Complete KYC and risk forms, then fund the account with required initial margin. Make sure you add a 20 to 50% buffer for sudden moves. Once done, pick liquid contracts, focus on top 5 by volume, and subscribe to a real-time data feed. You need connectivity and margin cleared before placing the first trade. Otherwise, you cannot execute reliably. You now convert intent into rules. Pick a strategy, directional, spread, or hedge, and define your time, horizon, and edge. Calculate position size using a fixed risk per trade, say 1 to 2% of equity, and account for full margin impact of each leg. When executing, prefer limit orders and stagger legs for multi-leg setups to avoid legging risk. Make sure to use alerts and automation for fills. That way, you enforce discipline and avoid emotional overtrading when markets move fast. You finish by locking outcomes. Set a profit target, stop loss, and a time-based exit, and adjust these for current volatility. Make sure to close or roll positions before expiry to avoid assignment on short options. Monitor margins daily. If things go wrong, if orders do not fill or positions behave unexpectedly, check margin availability, your internet and broker connectivity, and whether you used an inappropriate order type. Have contingency orders ready so you can act quickly and protect capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.